Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host Martin. Today we're going to be looking at crypto crashing now. If you are catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and the bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. If you don't like the content towards the end of the video, you can always unsubscribe. Go figure. Anyways, if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us in the Discord. Links going out right now. Every pin here on top of the chat. Good afternoon. Good night, beautiful people. How you doing? How y'all doing tonight, man? Crypto market sucking, crashing. Some of you guys are making some good dough by, by shorting the market, which is good. Again, if you want to short, that's fine. I don't like shorting the market. It's like betting against something that you want to go up, right? I mean, yes, it's going to go down eventually. It's going to have to recover eventually. But shorting to me is like, man, you're really just trying to bet that something that is supposed to be good and doing really good, you're like wanting it for it to go down instead of like hoping it goes up, right? I mean, it's just, I'm not sure. I just don't usually like shorting the market, but in general, let's just keep rolling. Anyways, let's go to the market where stuff is crashing. Go figure. Oh my goodness, we managed to drop 12.39%, approximately. Sorry, yeah, $130 billion went out of the market. And right now we're dropping another 2.96%. Guys, guess what? We're in a bear market, right? I mean, we've been kind of known that we're in a bear market for a while now. We've been talking about lower prices. We talked about Bitcoin, like crypto losing its $1 trillion asset class yesterday. Someone actually came into the stream and said, well, it's not that bad because we're not getting the 10, 20% drops that we get when the market is like not good. And guess what happened today? 17% at some point in time, right? 17% at some point in time. Anyways, let's keep rolling. Do we have anything here that kind of makes sense? There's bullishness that's trying to develop. Again, trying. And that means it's going to trigger. It's just kind of there, but not really. All right. So we don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. Oversold at 21.98. That's it, right? Some bullish evidence against MACD. Not really being super hopeful. There might be a reaction rally coming in. It was such a huge drop, right? 12% towards the end of the day. We need to get some kind of recovery coming in before we continue dropping again, right? Either that or we're going to do some of this stagnation. That's what we could be looking for. Is it over? Man, it's hard to tell, right? Look at this. We dropped below the 23,000. Kind of held support there, 21,955. Now we're dropping, right? Next area of support is going to be down here at 21,221. Below there, man. Below there, right? Is it going to let me do this? There we go. 20,900, then a 19,000, right? And I told you guys, if we go for that $19,000 mark, we are very likely going to be trying to close that CME gap at 18,500. So 882 negative, 713. There is some kind of bullish variance here that is trying to hold. Again, trying being the key word. Oversold at 22.9, right? And remember, look at that. Remember we talked about fear and greed and how useless it was? Guess what? Let's refresh this. I think it's lower. 8. Fear and greed is at 8. Yay. 8. It's really not that great, and it's really not indicative of anything. We could just stay here. And again, look, we had been at 8 before, I think, back here on May 17th. It was 8, right? And if we go back here and we look at May 17th, right? Would have been here. Right, May 17th, we're somewhere around this zone when it was 8. See how useless it is? Yeah, we just dropped, but we still at 8 fear. That's it, right? It just means that we're fearful. That's it. It really doesn't mean that we have to pump. Doesn't mean we have to anything, right? Just watch out for that. So we are dropping to 21,000. This is the last area that we have of main support. I think 19,600 is going to be main support. Below there, look at that. You can just go straight down to 12. There are some minor areas. Why am I saying down to 12? Look, here, 19,000, right? That's when we came up here, 2017. And that's what we hit again back here in 2020, November. Right before we started this new run. Now, going below that line, there's really not a lot of areas that we could be looking for. Maybe something around here, right? 16,000. But the next main one is going to be where we kind of hit here, rejected, and then rejected here, sort of, right? So we're looking around the 12,000s, right? That's one of our targets. Also, if we consider that on the weekly, right? On the weekly, let's go here on auto. We have broken the parabolic advance, and we know that we dropped 80+% every time, 86% here, 85%, somewhere around 83% here. So if we look at 80, we're hitting 12,000. If we look at 85 or so, we're looking at 10,000, right? So it could be a lot of pain coming in still for crypto. So yeah, with all that being said, it's not looking really good. We had our green when we called it. Right now, doing a super bearish moving down 19%. And let's see how low we are here, man. Ooh, RSI is at its lowest. All right, this is 2015. Right, it got to about 27.54. Here it's probably 2018 on December, right? Even on December 2018, we didn't drop below an RSI of 30. All right, no, wait, what is this one here? 20 something has to be 2904. Right now we're at 2677. We're much lower than even 2015 on this RSI drop, right? Wow, jeez. That's a move. Look at that. Right, so as far as we have data, we're just coming up. That's fine. Come back down there. It's the lowest we've been on the RSI, man. Yeah. So, do we have anything here that is bullish? No, not really. We kind of have something, it's just not playing. Look, we're just dropping farther down. Hey, man. I want to move that. Wanted to move that touch point there. That's just dropping to there. That's just tracking to there. And that just kept on going farther down. And guess what? It's just not triggering the bullishness. Because guess what? There is no bullishness, right? We have bullish divergence. There's no bulls. Like, really, you remember, guys, I said I started selling 37,000. I started selling the way down, and I'm going to buy back in lower. Yeah, that's the reason, right? Right on. So, Bitcoin still dropping. Insane to see Bitcoin at 21,000 after we were, you know, the 40Ks, the 60Ks, right? It just kind of sucks, man. This is going to be a long recovery, man. Anyways, dropping more negative momentum, lower still, oversold, right? Oversold. Let's send this back to the weekly. We don't want it here. And we do have something down here at 8, so we're going to get rid of this one. 11.90, look at that, right? We don't have anything bullish. We were looking for something bullish back here. The hopes went out the window. That's it. We just completely trashed. So there's nothing here to look for that is bullish. Here we do have something bullish in the 1 hour. Right, and we can see it here happening. The only thing that tells me is that we might try to hold a little bit before we keep on tanking, right? Maybe we try to pump a bit, get some little action to the upside, little something, go back, kiss that $23,220 mark before we keep on dropping. Maybe even try to go for 21,955, right? 23,000 if we're feeling up for it, but you know, it's not really looking too hot. The market's not there. I mean, we've been saying that for a while now. All right. Yeah, it's like one of those movies where we already know the end. How low can we go? Well, we just established that. Jason, thank you very much for being here. Andrew, yo. Steve, these new lows every day are getting boring. Yeah. Talk about it. It's better than the monotony that we had here, right? It's better than this BS that we were looking at here for the longest time. Right? You sort of in Ethereum. You're short in Ethereum? Alright, cool. Yeah, it would have been great to short from top. You're very short in Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum's not doing really good, right? Ethereum's like sucking major poop. I'm just catching up with the comments. Touch 18K? Yeah, maybe, man. It would really be odd to be below all-time high. We could, man. We could, right? It's not going to be an issue. There's a gap we need to close down there. There's another gap around 9K or so. Man, there's a lot of chat I just haven't read. Wow. So I'm gonna try to push it along. All right, you're gonna put longs. Interesting. Be careful. Celsius has not filed bankruptcy. Yeah, but you know, I think it's stuck, right? You cannot withdraw anything from there. It's kind of locked. Could I check out Celsius? Yes, in a little bit. All right, cool. Let's do ETH. Why am I doing that? It's right here is the next coin that I have on the list. 1,178. Look at Ethereum drop. Wow, that kind of sucks. Taking a huge dump, 15%, right? 224 buckaroos. Still having that bullish divergence. Again, I'm not really hoping for it to play to the upside, but it's trying to hold support here. At 1,153. Lowest point we have, 1,152.90. All right, so we're almost on the dollar. Nothing against the RSI. Just oversold at 20.78. 4-hour chart, man. Right, 4-hour chart for Ethereum. Dropping farther down. Again, the bullish divergence that we were looking for is no longer there, at least not in this bit. There is some that is developing on this last bit, on this movement down here. But man, I mean, it just feels like we're looking for some kind of hope when there's really not a lot of hope in the market. It's like, oh, there's bullish divergence there. Guess what? It just might not play out, right? Anyway, the way the market is, it might just not play out, right? All right. 1-hour chart. Oh, look at that. Oh, bullish divergence about to be developed as soon as we start making negative Momo, right? Again, look from here to here, from here to here. We have it against the RSI from here to here already, right? So strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. If we do move up to 20, moving average is going to be a target at 1,224. Above there, man, 1,261. Above there, 1,292. So that is the moves, man. That is the moves for Ethereum. Jeez, man. Yeah, let's someone said Celsius. What's the yeah, here we go, sell. All right. I don't think we've looked at this one in the past. So where should we look at it? Bittrex, OKX, FTX. I just want to make sure we haven't looked at this. I don't think I have anything for this one. So I'm just gonna go with Bitstamp. Maybe it has the most data, I'm not sure. Everyone's gonna rebrand. Everyone's gonna do that now in crypto. They all want to take your monies. All right, taking a massive major dumpage since wow, forever and ever and ever, an eternity. If this is correct, wow. Ever since starting this chart, all it's done is just going downhill. So it's just negative percentage points by a lot. We couldn't even, like, how much? At some point in time it was like 96%. Right now it's around 94%. All right, not a lot of hope. Is there bullishness? Yes. Is it gonna play? Doubtful. This might become the next Luna, right? Or this could be the next Luna. All right, bullishness against the MACD, against the RSI. Should be looking for action to the upside. At 26.74 cents. Man, really? There's bullish divergence here. Took a pop, went for the 20. Right? Not really seeing a lot here that is like, you know, I'm excited for. There's no strength. We're not breaking that 20 yet. Breaking that 20 would be a nice move for Celsius. 1-hour chart. Again, some bullish divergence here, strong against the RSI. Try to get above that 20. Trying to hold right now, that 20. Yeah, not really enjoying this one, man. I mean, some action to the upside, got it, right? Is there bearishness coming in here to play? Eh, not really. By the way, guys, I finished painting something today. Or yesterday. I posted pictures in the Discord. You guys saw them. It's kind of cool project. I'm not even sure how much one of those things would sell for. So I just painted it. Might auction it off or sell it. I'm not sure. Trying to figure out what to do with that. Kind of want to get the 3D printing to make more money so that I can either buy more crypto when the price is right, or I could buy another 3D printer to keep on doing more of this stuff. And you cannot see what I have in my hand. I just realized that. This is such a cool piece. You can't tell what this is. Who can guess what this is? I wonder if anyone can guess what I have here in my hand. It is a torso, but who does it belong to? Can any of you guys guess? I'm trying to see if I can get some detail there to show, but yeah, you guys might not be able to see. It's not a Hulk, I'll tell you that. I think if I put this on, it's gonna be a dead giveaway, but I think it's the fairest thing I could do. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see this or not. The Rock did from Fantastic Four, no. This should be, if you're an 80s kid, this should be a dead giveaway. The Black Cat retweet look awesome. Thanks, and I appreciate it. You got no clue? Oh, bro. Let's see if we can up this a little bit more. Let's see if we can up this a little bit. This is a small game we're playing because, you know, the market's just sucking majorly, so it's a good thing that we can focus on different things, I guess. You don't know who this is. I'm intrigued. This is not the full portion, but that's the hand with the something on it. Half of something on it. Can you guys not guess what this is? Mega Man? No. You see a tiny black figure. All right, we'll make it a little bit larger then. There we go. You're not gonna be able to see the figure though, because it's really weird. But there's the mask. He-Man? No. Close. Silverhawks, yes! Michael got it. I think it's the first one that said it. Batman, Black Panther, no. Silverhawks, man. Wings of silver, wheels of steel. Yeah, whenever I paint that, it's gonna be freaking dope, man. Can't wait to get started in that. I have everything except for the vase. I even have the Quicksilver's 2 faces. So, well, his face and then the face with the helmet. Yeah, that's what we're gonna call it. The face and then the face with the helmet. So yeah, it's 3D printing stuff. It's fun, guys. It's a lot of fun to 3D print. I'll tell you that. Having a blast doing it. Really enjoying it. I don't know where I put the face, but here's the legs. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. Bitcoin just dumping. Oh, we're gonna go back to it in a second. Hey, Doomer, what's up? Is there a Silverhawk from the Silverhawk series in the 80s? Well, I think Quicksilver, silver. They had Bluegrass, and you had Steel Wheel and Steel Heart, and then you had the Copper Kid, right? So yeah, I think Quicksilver is the only silver one. All right. Let's do Ada again. Ada dropping, right? 44. Hitting support. He's not doing as bad as other stuff. I'm actually kind of surprised by Ada's holding power at 5.31%. It's not really that bad, man. I mean, next target's gonna be 40 cents, but really, that's about it. Really, not a lot. Not too bad. We had some bullish divergence here. We lost it with that drop, so nothing bullish. To try to rally a bit, come back down, hitting that same support zone. Not really a lot here, man. Not really a lot here as far as bullishness or bearishness. That's it, dude. All right. Yeah. Mega Man would be cool. Well, yeah, you know who's be cool? Also Metroid. Samus? Whatever the girl's name is from Metroid. I have some sculpts, some STL files that I could print off her, but I really want to print those. I really want to print those on resin. For that, I need to get a resin printer. The one I think would be a nice size, around $700, which again is a bit expensive for printer. Knights of the Zodiac is a must. I already have all Gold Saints and some of the regular Saints files as well there. Okay, so I can print them. And be Knights of the Zodiac. Yeah. Contra. I'm not sure if those guys have been sculpted, but that would be nice. They'll be like pixelated little dudes, like A variety of Nintendo games, yeah. Look at that, Bitcoin trying to go for support. Oh no! It's about to touch it! 21,394 incoming! In 3, 2, oh, fake out? Oh no, we're below it! Or I had to, you know, kept on counting who would have reached it. Samus from Metroid. Yeah, I know. Samus from Metroid, it's a cool character. Gotta make a female Silverhawks. Yeah, someone's already sculpted it, but yeah. Yeah, I already got some files from Metroid. Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah. I have a lot of freaking files that I found. They had real Arnold looking dudes. Yeah, probably, man. I mean, we are just here watching Bitcoin drop, so it's trying to stay above 21,294. It is a live crash video, like, you know, we talked about these levels yesterday. It's insane that we talked about this yesterday. To be honest, I was not expecting for us to go reach them so fast. I was really trying to see, or I was really hoping that 25K was going to give us a little bit more support around that zone. I was extremely surprised to see that we didn't. Then when we closed that CME gap, I was like, okay, we're probably going to hold around the 23,000, right? No, it just didn't care about it. It just completely sucked and dropped extremely hard, right? I'm gonna try to get something here open. But since I don't know how things are gonna open here on the computer, I want to get out of that screen here real quick and go here and yeah, dude. Let me see if I can get this here to open, and then we will see if I can show this here. And then the other one is at there we go. Yeah, this one's pretty gas. I'm not sure if I want to be able to show this. I'm trying to see if I can get this to show. All right. All right, I got it. I got the file here. So you said this, so I'm gonna show this real quick. Yeah, here we go, right? There's Metroid. That's a pretty cool file. I want to print that one. It's pretty good size. And I have a couple from Saint Seiya. So I have a lot of files, actually. There's a lot of things I would love to print, and, you know, I mean, hell, if anyone wants to commission anything, please let me know. I could take on jobs. You just got to figure out how to get them to the US, I guess. Oh, snap. But right now, I'm just 3D printing with filament. And I'm making it work, man. You know, if you guys saw the Black Cat file, it's a pretty good one. What do you think about Boy Bell 3D print? Man. Print. What? Man. Sorry, man. I'm not sure who Bad Boy Bell is. Sorry about that one. There's some really cool STLs out there for printing. It's just, you know, really looking to see what I'm gonna print next. like there's like everything, dude. Right now, like I'm trying, like I printed a comic character. Now I printed, this 80s cartoon character. Now I'm gonna print. I think I print out 2 Pikachus also. Oh, breaking news! Tesla sells massive Bitcoin. Is that so? Is that so? Do you have a source for that? Do you have a source for that? I'm looking on Twitter. I'm not finding anything, so you gotta come up with some more information there. Trillionaire coin. Where's the bottom? There is no bottom. It is a bottomless pit that will go on forever and ever and ever, like where that Persian emissary fell or got kicked by Leonidas. Oh, talk about Leonidas. I got a really cool Leonidas file also for printing from 300. I want to print that one. But again, for those details, I want resin printer, right? Do we know Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy margin call? I'm not sure. I don't. Do fidget spinners with the Set of Crypto logo. Yes, that'll be kind of cool. Elon, what's up? Bob Bill House, DJ Spinner, Charnier, now for spinning 8 records, decks in one time. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't know him. Interesting. Who's that dude? Who there? Who that? Yeah. Oh, man. So I'm trying to get the printer to make enough money to where it pays for itself. Once a printer pays for itself, I'm gonna probably fork out and buy a resin printer, or maybe another one of this. It depends on how much work I'm getting requested. So that's gonna be interesting. Michael says, I only asked because I thought I heard somewhere around there's 20-21 range. What? Yeah, it should be. I'm not sure. Maybe. If it is, he's probably pooping his pants. Like, oh, we're so close. Elon, buy some. Elon, being a troll, goes out and says, oh, Tesla's selling Bitcoin stock. And then it just makes, Tesla's selling Bitcoin. And then you have Bitcoin go down, and then Tesla stocks go down as well. When is Sailor Moon buying? I have no clue. Ride accessories. It should be buying sometime. How elite are the accessories for the rides? Let me know. I'm curious. I mean, I don't have a ride. I don't need one. Mexico City. It's kind of like, for me, it's like a waste of money to have a car here. You end up paying parking everywhere. Like work's 20-minute walking. Kids' school's like 30-minute walking. I was really not that bad. Like, no real need for a car. But yeah. When is Sailor Moon buying? Not sure when little like wine twirls and shift his personality into something else. Yeah, so guys, the market sucks, man. We've been talking about that for a while now. If history repeats, the old top becomes a new bottom. Halvings are only roughly every 4 years. Yeah, look, let's go look at that. Let's bring facts into this. Alright, let's jump in here. Let's go into automatics. And let's zoom out here and hide the boundary bands because they skew everything here. Alright, here we go. Is that the bottom? Nope. Look at that. Oh, we didn't go there, man. Right? On this movement to this high, right? On the drop, we never came back down here again to 1,197. I mean, we dropped from it, but once we got above it again, we just never came back to anything there, man. I've been back testing it. We didn't back test here, we didn't back test here, we didn't back test here any time afterward. Right. So, I mean, seeing this, I mean, yeah, we dropped, let's say we dropped to 80% and we hit that 10K mark, right? And then we stagnate there for a bit during crypto winter. And then we shall see a rally again. Turn the prints into NFTs. Send physical copy to buyer as one of once. Printer paid. Yeah, but the thing is, like, what NFTs, man, right? That would be kind of cool. That's a good idea. I do have a blue screen. I could put a cool background behind it. I need to figure out how to, though, right? Because if I put a price today with the market the way it is, if I put it out there and it crashes, bro, hell, let's say it crashes hard again. By the time someone buys it and I send it to them and, you know, I cash out, it might just be worth a lot less than what I intended to get. But that'll be cool, though. They have a lot of things I could place. I wouldn't mind parting with some of these minis that I'm painting at. They're still not based, though, but you know, some of these minis would be nice to sell. Black Cat is big. Black Cat is about 12 inches or so. That's a pretty good size statue, I guess, or figurine. You're having same issues, yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't mind selling. I'm looking to see if I could sell it somewhere. I'm not sure how much it would be worth. Like, I've never sold a piece of anything like that before, so I wouldn't mind parting with it. But, you know, really intrigued. Really intrigued, man. Selling stuff in JPEG store and resetting the market consistently. Yeah. The other thing is, like, okay, I sell that NFT to someone. He's entitled to that piece. What happens when he resells it and he doesn't send the piece, man, right? I mean, it could be nice that it's, you know, stuck there. Do you think 10K is a possibility? Yes. Based on some old analysis that we've done in the past, where we have looked at the tops and the bottoms and we say, yo, from the highest point to the lowest point, where have we been? And then we say, oh, 86%. Oh, guess what? From here to here, where do we go? Oh, look at that. Oh, 83%. That's 3% less. Guess what? Now we go to 80%, right? 80% puts us around 12K right here, right? Somewhere around here, 8K, 12K. And then 85 or 86 gets around 10K or 9K. So yeah, I mean, it could be a possibility. I'm not saying I'm not ruling it out. There should be areas that we could be looking for rests and see what happens. But yes, it could certainly be an area that we go down to. Now, following that story that we don't go to the old lows like we did here, right? I think Facts said it, that, you know, we used it as support. And we should be finding support here around 19,000 and change before we drop more. Yeah. It is not fun, right? It is not a fun market. I mean, it's a fun market if you're shorting it and you're making a kill on it. Congrats, preparing for war. Otherwise, man, it's just really not that great of a market. It is a bearish market. If you are breaking that, you know, that parabolic advance. So if you're getting in, you got in at, you know, back here when we broke, and then when we broke it, it was up here around 38,000. That's why I told you guys below 37,000 I started selling. If you look at what happened since, man, you would have made some good dough shorting, right? Right, look at that. From here to here, man. That'll be a 45% drop, and then you would have gotten however many X's you're trading there, man. You don't know the IP of Vader, but you sold Vader art piece. They can have their IP, I rather, because they never. Never mind. Yeah, I guess. Binance liquidating margin accounts. Yeah, interesting. Let's see from the high. Where are we at? How much have we dropped? We are already, dude. 69% drop from the highs. Right? What's another what's another like 15 or what? Look at that. All right, 69. We're looking at 69 69.7, almost 70%. Let's round it off, right? 70% drop. That gets Bitcoin to the 20,000s. Right? 20,600s. And then, right, from there to here, we're looking at, another 10% more. I mean, hell, Bitcoin dropped more than that just on a day. So yeah, it could go there. When? That's a good question. How fast? I'm not sure. Are we going to find rest areas on a movement down? We could. Is it going to be a quick drop and then a quick pump? It could as well, right? We might see a flash crash, hit that zone, close anything that we have down there because we do know that there's a gap there on the CME. All right, let's go there. And again, we do know there's gaps that need to be filled. Right, look, there's a gap. Where do we have them, man? Why can't I see that now? Because I'm on a weekly. Here we go. There's a gap down here, right? That needs to get filled, that 18,000 gap. And then there's another gap down here around the 9Ks that needs to get filled as well. If I remember, it's somewhere over here. Here it is, right? Maybe it's not 9Ks, but yeah, 9,660, right? Look at that, right? Crazy. So this gap has been filled. Congrats, we filled the gap. Now we have only 2 more gaps to go fill in the movement down. $69% from 69K. Insert Elon's. Yeah. We'll get back good in 2025. Yeah, probably. I mean, all these is just giving, if you sold, if you've been selling, right, or if you've been short in the market and making money that way, it's going to give you more capital to buy at lower areas of value. That's it. Like I told you guys, the name of the game is wealth preservation. It is risk management. If you can manage to do those things, preserve wealth and manage your risk, again, you manage your risk, you preserve wealth, and you should be doing good, right? 4-digit Bitcoin taste, yeah, it would be nice, right? Not sure if we're going to go there, man, but we could just slide, hit that 9K, close that gap, and then just start looking for movement ups. Because guess what? We're leaving a lot of gaps up here, right? We have a gap here at 27,000. We have a gap here at 34,000, right? We have another gap up here at 50,000, right? So there are reasons for us to come and revisit these areas, right? And things are going to go freaking weird if we just drop from here. Yeah. Look at that, man. It's just crazy. Bro, Ethereum another 7+ percent. Bitcoin just taking another massive dump. We're already 6% down for the day, man. Not that chart. Let's go to this chart. Let's go to auto. 21, man. Hello 20s. Is that gonna be the game? Is that gonna be hello 20s? Are we gonna say hello 20s tonight? Man, I wish I had shorted Bitcoin. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there's some support there, man. There's some support around 19. I think on this chart, I do have a little bit more stuff. This chart's gonna be super messy, man. I don't like this chart. It's the one that we were trying to see how much stuff we have. And the reason there's so many lines, the stuff that where we could go, right? There's something at 19 and then there's something at 17. That's the main ones that's here. So 18 is random. There's really nothing there. So I would say 17,781 would be a tested one, right? But again, I do have a lot here. And we know some of them work on smaller timescales. For example, some of these have held All right, look, we were holding here, drop this area, held there briefly for a candle, drop, held there briefly for a candle, drop. Here became a resistance and became a support slightly. Now we're dropping through, and again rejection here. So we do know they work at some time scale. They're not all from the daily. I just need to get this chart organized so we have a better view as to where this real supports and resistances are on the macros, right? But usually I like to see them everywhere on the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour. That way I can see where we could try to bounce or hold. Even if I'm looking at the daily, I know there might be something. I might just color code them. That just could help a lot more. Max Payne. Yeah. Produce the gains. What's up, dude? A lot of people tuning in. Thank you for being here. Market must be crashing because people are pouring in. Tom G. Quick someone turn Bitcoin off. All right. Unplug Bitcoin. Reboot. Reset. Get it to pump again. Someone wrote their own code and is making Bitcoin pump. Making Bitcoin drop. Now someone has to go fix that code to make Bitcoin pump again. The matrix is crashing. It's collapsing. Neo's taking out the agents. That's why this is dropping 21 on the dot. Man, it's been hit. 21 on the dot. Man, like I said, are we going to go with your, Jack Nicholson being like, hello, here's Johnny. Or, yeah, this is what we should say. We break below 20K, I guess. Or break towards 20K. Yeah. Put on the 1 minute Bitcoin chart. Yes. It's but a flesh wound. Alright, let's get this in log scale. It's not going to really help a lot. So, there's bullish divergence. Oh, we're going to try to rally. Go figure that. Are we going to do it? Doubt it. Doubt it. If we do, 20 moving average is going to become a resistance. What are we going to do here, man? Johnny, what are we going to do? Yo, not that. Here we go. Why? Why is this not working? Here we go. Alrighty. Alright, it's the third time I try to shortcut this. There we go. Now it works. Alright, there is bullish divergence. We're trying to move up. Great. Guess what? There's head divergence coming in at a key area of resistance. Hopefully we get a bounce, man. I mean, we need to get some kind of reaction rally. Oh, here we go. We're trying to bounce. Great. Trying to get above that 20. Doomer, the gate reset. Maybe. Yeah. You got peace this time, no stress. Yeah. I'm just wondering when people are gonna come back in. Cryptocraft, man. We're gonna be looking at entry levels. People wish they got in at, and they're gonna be too scared to get in. It's gonna be like, oh, it's dropping. What if it never bounces to this level again? And then it's gonna start pumping, and they're gonna be like, I wish I would have bought at 20,000. I'm so dumb. I had a chance and I didn't take it. And then it's going to pump forever and ever and ever. And then they're going to be, oh, why did I get in at 20,000? Right? That's the way people are, man. They want a price. When they get it, they don't jump in. Then they lose it. They miss it. And then they complain forever and ever and ever again. Right? Yeah. So FOMC meeting is Tuesday. So traders worried about rates rising. Yeah, I guess. Nailed it? Yeah. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Today's panic sellers, tomorrow from the buyers. Yeah. Correct. All right, 1 hour. We're attempting a rally. The bullish divergence seems to be trying to play. We're still below the previous high, though. That's still putting pressure there on the price. How are we going to revert this downtrend? Wouldn't it be weird and cool if, like, somehow magically and mystically today we saw a 20% rally? That would be crazy. Yeah, it's a scam when they lose money. It's a scam when they miss out. It's a scam every time someone doesn't get what they want, right? That's how people are, man. Feels like the market has pricing at 75 BP high already. All right. $20,000 Bitcoin. You can't buy half million Satoshis for 100. What? Is that like, Jake? I'm not sure. Is that 500,000 Satoshis you said for 100? It will be glorious. Yes. We're struggling to rally, right? See that divergence, that hit divergence. Putting that pressure on the price. We're above the 20, which is good, which we have not really been holding since, you know, up here, I guess, on 716, which has been below 20. All right. All right. That's 500,000 Satoshis. So 500,000. I mean, the market is just really stack those sats, yeah. Now it's the place where people are going to be buying. Again, this might drop farther down. If you're comfortable buying here, that's fine. If you want to wait and see, and you want to gamble it, that's fine. Again, it's entirely up to you guys. I think the market could drop a little bit more, right? I told you guys 21K was going to be an area that we're going to hold for support, that we would be trying to hold. We're there. Are we going to try to rally from there? Is that going to be the drop? Not sure. I do know there's lower levels that we could go to. I'm not sure we're going to get there, right? But right now, just looking at the market and considering the fact that we've been like on this new day for about an hour, almost 2 hours, and we're already down 5%. It just makes it feel like it might be another one of those like negative 10% days. But again, the market's so crazy that we might just get one of those crazy, like, you know, pump and recover the candle from yesterday because it was such a violent drop, or half of that candle from yesterday, right? Get Bitcoin up to like 25,000 maybe. Not sure, right? It's just, we're getting a drop. There's really not a lot of clear stuff out there yet. We're all just speculating as to where the market's going to go, where it could go, where what's it going to do. I believe it could still drop farther down, right? That's I do believe that. I know 21K is going to try to hold. How strong, I'm not sure. But I do know we have support around here. What's the lowest we got here? Lowest 21.5. 21. Back to the hour. $100 million sats is becoming more achievable goal. Yeah, it is. It is, right? A lot of people that wish they had a Bitcoin and hadn't been able to buy one, if they sold or if they're trading or they're doing things right, they might be able to get a Bitcoin now. There might be able to be Bitcoiners, right? Yeah, it's just, we're going to see, man. We're going to see how things keep rolling again. Market's not looking strong, right? We're getting that movement down again. That's just a lot of pressure for the price to go down. Lycia short profits to the bottom. All right. Yeah, that's a good way to do it. I mean, geez. Really trying to figure out if the market is going to drop to that 19K today, man. $21K MicroStrategy gets liquidated, or just got liquidated. Is that for real, though? Someone else already said that. Someone else already said that. I'm not sure, man. I don't think he's going to let himself be liquidated, right? Still open interest from last week, closing stocks market. It appears we'll go lower to tomorrow. Maybe. I would not say no to that. There's a big chance we might go lower, man. May go up after your meeting. Yeah, but if it repeats what we did last time, it pumped and then it just freaking dropped again, right? So it pumped and it just went downhill like crazy, dude. There's a crypto bear market in this kind of macroeconomic environment. Yeah, I agree. It's gonna be interesting. Yeah, we have not seen, because when it was born, it was out of the 2008 crisis. So how it's gonna behave in this crisis is gonna be key to determining how the crypto assets are gonna be taken in the future, right? How serious they're gonna be taken. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of retail or a lot of institutional investors that are probably, you know, worried about, like, they haven't seen crashes as bad since a long time, or ever, right? You see something drop like 60%, it's crazy. Yeah, it's true. Hit the news wire. He was on Twitter defending Bitcoin. Oh, interesting. Let's see that here. Someone had said that Tesla had sold a position, so I'm not seeing anything on Tesla though, right? Oh, snap. Is that... I'm not sure if this is legit. A lot of people giving him grief though. Michael Saylor MicroStrategy investment is currently at $1 trillion unrealized loss. Jeez, that's... I'm not sure is that much. Oh, $1 billion. That's $1 billion. I was like, that's $1 trillion? That's a lot. Nah, it's $1 billion. All right. Is he though? Has he said anything? Like, oh, I just got liquidated. Yeah, probably so, right? Here's another one. The street MicroStrategy has lost more than 110 million on Bitcoin. Yeah, wow. Trying to see if there's really anything out there right now regarding that. So, breaking Michael They put a pass. All right. Yeah, that's true. Well, it seems to be some kind of true there. This is from Fortune. It says MicroStrategy has 205 million Bitcoin collateralized loan with Silvergate Bank. If Bitcoin drops below 21,000, Saylor Company will be forced to hand over uncollateralized Bitcoin to answer any potential margin calls. All right. Interesting. The close is short. Yeah. Wow, this guy's really gonna be in pain, man. He should have sold, or he should have done something with his Bitcoin instead of, like, yeah, I'm not sure what he was doing, but damn. All right, let's see if there's anything else here. I wonder how El Salvador is feeling now, right, about their legal tender. They're probably like, oh, crud, now we're all in the hole. Yeah, he probably is shooting his pants right now. Yeah, fudge. Yeah, that's true, man. I wonder what he's gonna say tomorrow. That's gonna be key. Like, oh, I just got called on my monies. Right. I wouldn't want to be him right now. That's just not cool, man, right? And Shift's already out there saying, oh, you know, you're gonna drop the $1 trillion that's left. Someone said that El Salvador had to deploy capital to purchase another 12.4 Bitcoin. I'm not sure if that's true or not. But if they are adding Bitcoin, they're probably thinking that long term it's going to be doing better, right? Yeah, we're still 20,800. It's crazy. Yeah, I mean, that like he should have had insurance or something, right? Like I doubt he's just gonna be in the hole. Maybe he was doing good, and then he's also shorting the market or something on the side. Be like, oh, I'm gonna pay myself with this shorts I'm opening. Yeah. Oh well, yeah, I agree, dude. Crypto crap, man. I'm not saying it doesn't. I'm just saying it's just it can be painful. There was something that I wanted to see. Let's see if I can find it here. First off, the Dow seems to be kind of stabilizing, 0.22%, so it's not dropping a lot by hitting that 20. And I just want to see here real quick what we're doing. Oh, look at that. We dropped farther more, remember? Remember more? We talked about this? They're leaving it open because it was going down. It's going down. Now here's about the same level, and then here we don't longer have anything, so... Whatever bullishness we're looking for here, it don't seem to be holding. What is this low here, man? 202. 194. Still there against the MACD, though. All right, some bullishness trying to hold. All right, let's do gold 0.24. All right, it also took a drop, but it's not as bad on gold, right? 2.73. Silver did take a little bit more of a down move. 3.80, and then West Texas oil 121. Let's check out the Dixie. Yen drops, is it? Ruby crab and yen drops. First sign of dollar index starting to drop. Is it? Yeah, it's starting to drop a bit. Not a lot. Sorry, where is it, Dixie? It's pumping. It's at highs, man. 105. Right. It's another high. Oh no! Look at that. There's various divergence. Oh my goodness, what's happening? Do we have it here? 264. Not against the MACD, against our side, there is some bearish divergence, right? So, spot at 68.86. Yeah, I mean, it could mean that we're looking for our movement down here, right? We've just been 1, 2, 3 times, right? So, third, 4 times the charm. We should be looking for the dollar to start losing strength. With that, it could become a time of recovery for Bitcoin, right? We might see Bitcoin recover a little bit if the dollar loses value. We'll see. War just made 120% on comp. On comp insurance. Wow, you've been making a killing, dude. BZZ, you made 256. That's pretty good. How much leverage are you using? Geez, you've really been doing good on this. All right, so this is some of these trades, right? On shorting. And these are from today. Just Gala, right? Down 6-10% on gains. Band going down 137% gains. Then ENS, right? 112. BZZ 256. Comp 120. Dude, you're doing really good on this. Awesome, dude. Awesome on your shorts. Congrats. Congrats, my friend. I should short the market, man. I just don't like it. Yes, we're trying to hold the last area of support. Ha ha ha. 20,111. We have dropped below that area, but you know, we are trying to hold the 20Ks. We'll see. Crack shaw. Bitcoin holding around 20. Yeah, no, we know. Bitcoin 5-10%. Yeah. All right. Not raising prices or salaries for a long time in Japan. All right. Interesting. We'll see. We shall see, right? The markets, man, they just feel bad, man. They just feel like in pain. There's so much pain out there. I can look at the chart and feel the pain of the people. Yeah, crush. I can't say that comment though. DX line. Tomo arigato. Yeah. I think it's arigato with an A, no with an O. Unless you're talking about a coin. Then yes, it could be like that. Oh, I get what you did there with the DXY. Alright, DXY. Dixie. Man. As painful as this is, it's just, man, I don't want to see tomorrow. 7% down right now. I mean, are we going to get a 20% drop day? If that is the case, man. If that is the case. It's not going to be good. If we get a 20% drop, where would that lead us? It's a 40. 20% drop gets us to 17,000s. Yeah. I really hope that's not the case. I really don't want to see crypto go in there, man. Is Ethereum below 1,000 now? Very, all right, 1,100. I'm worried about Ethereum though. I don't want to see Ethereum below 1K. My sentiment based on the TA for tomorrow. Yeah, it's just not looking good. It's not looking good. In general, it just feels like another one of those like 10% drop days. It's just there's no bullish strength, right? I mean, like I said, crypto's a crazy wild horse that could go for a 20% pump tomorrow, right? And could turn a red day into a green day. Like we've seen turn massive wicks green sometimes, but even then, like 18% would basically recover the losses that we had, and we'd be at around sorry, that's not Bitcoin, that's Ethereum. It should still be something similar though. So if we go up 20%, let's just go from here. So 18% puts us around the where we opened for yesterday, right? And then 20% gets us slightly higher. So 27,000. I mean, bro, yeah, crypto has done that. Jeez, this market doesn't feel like it could do that, right? It's just like we could drop more. So what else do we have here in Bitcoin, man? Do we have something on this chart that could be interesting? I know I had one where I was playing with the idea of a larger downsloping structure. I gotta find it now. It might be this one. Maybe, I'm not sure. The Bitcoin $2 chart doesn't have data on it though. Maybe it has something on the weekly. It doesn't. All right, all right, all right. I need to go back to Bitcoin charts. I know how to Bitcoin chart where I had something like a larger downsloping channel that we could be looking at, right? Why does this look like a diamond top? Dude, where is that chart? I'm trying to find it. Jeez, look at that large A wick here on Binance. That's whatever happened there, man. That's crazy. This chart's really busy. I'm probably this chart has some old data from the daily, I think. Yeah, this Bitcoin chart's on moves down, I think. Yeah, here are my old Bitcoin entries. Old entries, 75K, 10.3. Old Bitcoin chart. All right, that's not the one I'm looking for. I know I had a chart that had a large downsloping structure. Right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna grab this chart and then show what I was talking about. If you guys remember, some of you guys might remember this. I had a larger chart that proposed that this was a much larger downsloping channel of sorts. I can't remember exactly how I had this. I think I might have been considering this portion here, and then that portion there somewhere, something like that maybe, which then we'll be breaking out of this downsloping channel, right, with a lot of strength. I think we're looking at something like this maybe. But I said, what if this is not the channel but it's a larger channel that we're trading within, right? I'm gonna try to find it. It's probably somewhere. It should have been this Bitcoin chart. Oh, here it is. Oh, duh. I remember this? Ha! It's here. Bitcoin going down. Oh no, we're in a larger channel. We're trying to bounce that mid part. We're rejecting it. End up moving down, man. Where are we gonna go? That lower portion here is on that 14K. It's still a possibility. We're still being on a downsloping channel if we go there. Right? Not ruling it out, guys. Not ruling it out. Again, if you enjoyed the content, hit the like. I hit something by accident. If you enjoy the content, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. I'm still here. There we go. Oh no, how come that's not working? Let's go here. Alright. So we're live trying to see this crash. I got some like poster tack that I have from holding, helps me hold the figurines or like pieces when I'm working on them, right, like that. I put it in there. I just hold it, and I find it relaxing that I'm sitting here at the desk and I can just stretch it and bring it back and make it a little dough ball, and then just keep on stretching it. It's interesting, yeah. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna call it a stream for tonight. So if you guys enjoyed the content, hit the like, the bell, the sub, join us in the Discord. Links have gone out. Remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, right? On that note, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. All right? Stay safe, guys. Safe trading. Manage risk. Things I always said towards the end of the stream. Just remember that, you gotta be smart about the money and be smart about the risk that you're taking. On that note, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.